Okay, there's some rain for you. And the wind has picked up. Off in the distance there's the picnic table and a 25-year rain event. The water might be all the way up there. I'm going to try and zoom in, see what we get here. Yeah, there it is. I've never sat at that picnic table. It's yard art, and it's doing a fine job, which I'm not doing because this camera it's a small camera, it's a pocket camera, and so I'm just waving it all over the place here. I think any minute the squirrel will be down here asking for an umbrella or something. He hasn't asked me for a power cord, so I don't think he has a fridge. At some point today, he's going to have to come down out of the tree and get something to eat. The wind is starting to really pick up from the south here. Most of our storms come from the south. That's off the coast. There's the maritime tropic air mass, something like that. Comes up here and dumps the water. Okay, it's calming down again. There's just been bands of rain come through. Usually it's, oh, hang on. Waiting for tree parts to hit me. I'm standing here on underneath the eave at the edge of the deck.